TRM Maximo AAM can help you save time and money by shifting your maintenance from time-based to a usage and condition-based approach. Maximo AAM provides a bridge to your production and building control systems. By leveraging real-time IoT data from your sensors and SCADA systems, Maximo AAM allows you to monitor the health and performance of your assets to make informed decisions. By conducting maintenance when it's actually needed versus using a time-based maintenance schedule, you'll reduce long-term costs and time spent on maintaining your assets. Configure the sources of real-time data for meters, alarms, and messages from within Maximo AAM. Connect to sensors, SCADA, and PLCs so you can easily capture, manage, and analyze data from inside Maximo. Visualize the performance of all your connected assets. Take action directly through the AAM dashboard. With this integration of Maximo and your production systems, data is configured entirely from within Maximo AAM with a user-friendly interface, making the deployment fast and easy. Start taking a smarter approach to maintaining your assets. Call us or visit us online to request your demo today.